In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow downloads while playing games here on your Steam Deck. By default, the setting's going to be turned off, but it's super easy to enable. And before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the settings, so press the Steam button down on your Steam Deck, scroll down and hit settings, and then open it up. And then from here, scroll down even more, and you're going to see a little downloads option on this left-hand sidebar. Select this, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to want to scroll down inside the download section until you see the tab for allow downloads during gameplay. Go ahead and toggle this setting on, and that really is it. Your Steam Deck's now going to continue downloading games and updates while you're playing. Now keep in mind, downloading during gameplay can affect performance if you're playing something like a graphic heavy game or a competitive online game, or really anything that uses a lot of system resources. You will notice that, you will get lower FPS or performance dips, and if you're playing an older or lighter game, you'll probably be fine. But to monitor your downloads, you can hit the Steam button again, and then just scroll to the downloads option here, open it up, and you'll see your downloads just like so, or just tap on the downloads icon up in the top right corner of your screen. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.